जाने बस
दिखा कम से कम
सामने को
तू बोलना मेरे को बात करें लोकेशन में
खड़ा करेंगे तब कुछ खड़ा करेंगे
कर मिल जाएंगे तो खत्म कर
ये एक्सप्रेशन ले लेंगे
हाँ
ऑप्शन ले लेंगे
ऑर्डर से मिल जाएगा फिर और कभी
हाँ
For all the cooperation that he's given me throughout this film, I would like to give a big hug to him. Thank you.
डन
सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कि फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है किस तरह का आज का सीक्वेंस है वो आप कर रहे हैं और किस तरह का आज का पूरा सीन आप यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं
Okay, we'll start, huh? Okay. Hi everyone, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Rajat Menon and
Alicia Farrer.
yes. So yes, we are shooting for Hotel Beautiful, and Hotel Beautiful. This movie is produced by Umbrella Film Corporation and Madhya Film Corporation, directed by Samir Iqbal Patel. And yes, I have done movies down south, and this is my first Hindi picture, Hotel Beautiful. And my character name is Akhileshwar Muthulingam. And like you know, every person has his dreams about honeymoon. Akhileshwar also has dreams about honeymoon, and to make this dream come true, he comes to Hotel Beautiful. And what happens to his honeymoon forms the rest of the story. And yes, Alicia, you can tell about yours.
My character is Lubna, and she's a nurse by profession. And she's come to surprise her husband on their honeymoon, and then she bumps into him. And then a series of crazy events take place. So yeah. So today is our final shoot, and it's our last day. So very excited and also a little bit sad that everything's over. But we're also really excited for the release.
We are like real fun time together, and especially as a family, we all were like chilling out. We didn't really feel that pressure of doing that film kind of morning schedules, evening schedule, something like that, because it's all like friends and everything. And luckily we all had this workshop and everything organized by the director Samir Iqbal Patel. So it was all like fun together, and we all knew exactly what we had to do, like in terms of script and everything. So it was all like mostly like we had a vacation in Goa and Mumbai also, the schedules and everything. So we had fun shooting in Hotel Beautiful. So I think this off-screen chemistry will be reflected in on-screen also, and I really hope that you will enjoy this Hotel Beautiful.
हमने सुना है कि भैंस जो है आपके ठीक पीछे वो रैंप पे चलने वाली है तो ये किस तरह का पूरा क्या होने क्या वाला है
Ramp, yeah, that was actually a fun part of this movie actually, but I think it's more like you have to watch and find out what is the funniest part in that ramp walk. And I must say that it is really funny, and you will really have to watch this movie because I think we are not allowed to speak about the ramp. Yes. हाँ.
ये जो आइडिया था ये किसका आइडिया था पूरा क्रिसमस का गेटअप करना
क्रिसमस ये आइडिया बिल्कुल समीर सर का आइडिया है, बट यू नो व्हाट, क्रिसमस इट इज, एंड वी आर शूटिंग, दिस इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ अ शूट, and as he said, like we are a little bit sad also, but because we had very fun shooting time together, so in that way we are sad that we are all going to part away from us, from this Hotel Beautiful. But yes, this idea is because Christmas is coming, and as you all know, Christmas, it's a very, it's a festival, it's an occasion of people coming together, enjoying and spreading love basically.
And so it's like a family time.
Yeah, it's like a family time. So we are also having this family time, and we are spreading love through Hotel Beautiful. Every year I make resolutions and nothing works out. So this time I am not making any resolution, and this is my resolution actually, that I am not going to make any resolution.
That's interesting. For me, my resolution, I don't know, do more good films and stuff like this. Yeah, make a good family.
Make a good family?
I mean,
okay. She's probably get married.
When you work together on set, it's like a family. So, to have like a family like that and stuff.
Yeah, that's true. Exactly as I told you, have to see the movie. It's like crazy
stuff going
on. It's basically in one word I can tell, it's a laugh riot. It's like it's completely out and out comedy film. There is no space for like any other kind of emotions. It's just that, you know, the people coming to see Hotel Beautiful can come by keeping their sorrows, depressions, you know, everything outside, come, enjoy for 2 hours and go back. That's the only motive of Hotel Beautiful.
The biggest comedy thing is on the set.
Yeah.
It's becoming a standard. What sort of gifts you got and sort of talent, sort of acting comments you got?
Now the biggest thing, like, see, Samir sir gave us an opportunity to act in this movie. That itself was a big gift for us. And getting to act with a legend like Johnny Lever sir, that itself is a big gift for us. So I don't think you have to get any more gifts. But as you said, yes, working with a very experienced guy, it definitely, gives us some input. Like his experience, his thoughts, his words, and everything together puts us, you know, our output like, comes out in really different manner far from what we thought. And that was my experience. And
Yeah, definitely. Hotel Beautiful was my first Bollywood film, and it's been an exciting and amazing experience, and everything is like a good memory, and we've learned so much together. So yeah, it's truly like one big family.
yes, thank you.
अब करेंगे आपके किस तरह का रोल है आप दोनों का? Start with your name first.
Okay, you want to go ahead? Yeah, sure.
मेरा नाम जिया शर्मा है और इस फिल्म में मैं मिली का रोल अदा कर रही हूँ. That's it. और क्या कहूँ?
Well, hi, I'm Sagarika Chetri and I'm playing this character called Janu, जो Janu Lee हो गया at the as the movie went on. And yeah, I'm the receptionist of the Hotel Beautiful. तो मेरे जो मालिक है वो जॉनी सर है जो हैरी सिंह का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं. एंड या जो रिसेप्शनिस्ट है बेसिकली शी इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू पुट एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस. जो भी गड़बड़ हो रही है वो ट्राई करती है अपने तरीके से उसे सॉल्व करने की. एंड व्हेन माय डायरेक्टर समीर इकबाल पटेल सर ने जब मुझे ये रोल ऑफर किया था, सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ कॉमेडी फिल्म, आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी, एंड आई हैड टू शेयर स्क्रीन स्पेस विद द कॉमेडी लेजेंड, that's Johnny sir. So I was very excited. तुरंत मैंने इसके लिए हाँ कहा. And yeah, the journey went on very well. And here we are today. Merry Christmas के इस मौके पर we are wrapping up the film. So yeah, it's been a great journey.
हमने सुना कि रैम चलने वाली है. तो आपका किस तरह से उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं?
Well, उस मामले में आई एम अ लिटिल अनफॉर्चुनेट क्योंकि मैंने कालीचरण के साथ कोई शॉट नहीं लिया है. इट्स जस्ट दैट अलीशा एंड द अदर कैरेक्टर्स हैव गॉट. सो आई एम द रिसेप्शनिस्ट, सो आई जस्ट ट्राई टू कीप कालीचरण अवे फ्रॉम माई होटल एट लीस्ट. सो या, सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज.
Lots of beauties in the film and fooling around. So who's the beautiful?
Beautiful. Well, can you repeat again?
I said lots of beauties in the film and we all see. But who's the fooling around?
Who's the one who's
Who's
fooling?
the one who's fooling around? There are lots and lots of characters who's fooling around in this film. You can
Yeah.
watch it and you'll come to know about it.
Did it make any difference to you on the set?
Actually, when we were shooting, everybody, we all used to jam up and इतना हंसी मजाक होता था कि ऐसा लगता था कि अरे शॉट हो रहा है या वी आर ऑफ शॉट. दोनों में हमको समझ नहीं आता था बिकॉज इवन आफ्टर द शॉट ब्रिजेश सर, जॉनी सर, समीर सर, वी ऑल यूज्ड टू सिट एंड वी यूज्ड टू जैम अप एंड हैव अ गुड टाइम यार. सो वी वर 11 days in Goa. So those were the best days I think, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो मजे किए हमने, so it was just amazing and even our producers were a part of it. So the entire cast actually, we all are fools. So we were all fooling around.
What's the best thing about What's the best thing about the director?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
What was the best thing about your director, Samir? What kind of brief did you